Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Success Tools. Today I will tell you about the most premium course on HTML by IIT Bombay for free. So let's start. So first of all, you have to download an application from Play Store. So open Play Store and the application name is Swayam, SWAYAM. You have to search Swayam and now install this application. This application is launched by government. Here you will find all type of courses. So here in this application you get courses related to all fields like science and technology. You can get a specific course in CS, IT, ECE, mechanical, civil and also in other fields. So now wait for the application to be installed. So the application is installing. Also this application is the best for all the courses because here you get all the courses for free. Now the application is installed, you have to simply open the application. It is by MHRD Government of India. Here you will get videos, weekly assignments, exams, also some other credit points and all types of courses here. So let us skip this as. So now you have to register in this application. So I have clicked on sign in and register. So here if you do not have account, you have to simply click on sign up now. Here you have to click sign up now. So now click on sign up. You have simply given a username, then password, then confirm the password, then type the email and click on the send verification code. Then you get a verification code in your spam folders of email. And here you have to given the name and then click on the create account. I already have enrolled in it, so I just sign in my account. So first of all you have to just sign in the account on the Swayam app. So now here, now click on the search button shown here and type HTML. You get courses on HTML by IIT Bombay, and it is the course launched by Professor Kannan, who teaches in IIT Bombay. I have already joined the course. For you to join, first register yourself. You will see a button join in place of go to the course. You will see a button join in place of go to the course. You should simply click the join button. So I will tell you about some basic information about the course. This course is from IIT Bombay and it is made by Professor Kannan, who is the principal head of spoken tutorial project. Here in this course 19,051 people have already enrolled, and here you will see some steps which you have to follow. Means you have to click on the document file, then it opens document file and it will tell you about the things, the projects which you get in this course. So this is the HTML file. So here you will get the content, how to use how the spoken tutorials. So I go to the app again. Now you have to simply read these steps. It is the course 8-week course and it is for undergraduate, postgraduate. It is approved by ACTE. Here is the introduction about this course, what you will have been taught in this course. Here you will get a HTML course for free. You will also get a course certificate. So now I will go to the course. Here you will see both before you begin. This is the side-by-side method, how you can learn the things, and here is basic levels in which you have the following tutorials. These are the video tutorials, and then you have to simply go to the intermediate level. You have to just complete all the videos and do the assignments given in the videos. Also here you see the proper structure of the course. In every video of the course you have given assignments and the code files. Also you can ask questions related to the videos. After completing the video you have to do the assignment yourself. It is the best course on the basic of Python. If you like the video then please like, share and subscribe my channel Success Tools, and I will tell you about the videos. Now I opened a video and here you will see all the things which have been taught in this video. All the projects means what you have been taught in this video. You have given an assignment file. You have to simply download the assignment file and you have to simply download the assignment file and do the assignments given. These are the assignments. Now also here you will get code files. The code files are the files which are made by the video tutorial. So here you will get the HTML course, and if you go back to the app and go to catalog, then you will see all the fields in which courses are given. If you are an engineering student, then you have to select engineering and technology, and you will get all the courses related to computer science and engineering, civil engineering, chemical engineering, aerospace engineering, bioscience and bioengineering, agriculture, design engineering, mechanical, and all the courses which are given. And here if I click on computer science and engineering, then you will see the courses which are ongoing and which are upcoming. You can enroll for the upcoming course and you can do the ongoing courses. So these are all the courses which are given in the app. Also here, these are upcoming courses in which you can enroll introduction to cybersecurity, app development, web development, artificial intelligence. These are all the courses which are given in this app. And also you will do the courses like low, and you can see all the courses which are given in this app. All the courses which are given in the app are free, and these courses are given by the top institutes like Android mobile development, Android app using Kotlin, and these all the courses are for free. You will also get certificate, like you can also do communication skills and personality development courses in this app. This app is made by government of India, MHRD, and all the courses are here free for here. You will get also the course layout, what is covered in this course, and you can see who will teach you in this course. All the teachers, professors are expert in the field in which they are teaching. So you can get here so many types of courses. Also you can get courses in your regional language. Like if I search, if you want to get courses in Hindi, then you simply have to search Hindi. You can get the courses C++ in Hindi, and these are all the courses. You have to simply, the language, regional language means that the professor will teach you in Hindi. I also have heard that you can, why you do these courses from IIT Bombay and IIT Kharagpur, all these. Also you can get Harvard courses for free, but the courses courses which are from Harvard, Cambridge University are in English, and here you can get the courses in your regional language. Like you can learn the Java in Hindi, you can learn Python in Hindi, you can learn other things. Like if I search for other language like Tamil, then here you see the C++ course in Tamil, Java course in Tamil, Linux operating system in Tamil. So you can get courses in your regional language. Also you get courses in English language. This app is for free, and it is made by the government of India to enhance the knowledge and skills. And here you will get the free structure. You will get also certificate, bandages, medals, and I also have the section my courses up. So here I have enrolled in 2 courses, HTML and Python. I have not completed even a single course, but you can see the enrolled courses, and you can see the complete here you can search the courses which you want, and these are my courses which I have enrolled. This app is best. So SWAYAM is a program initiated by Government of India and designed to achieve the 3 cardinal principles of education: access, equality, and quality. So it is the app made by government. It is approved by ACTE, NPL, UGC, NCRT, NIOS. These are all the platforms which work for the SWAYAM. It is an open education platform in which you get all the courses for free. You get certificates, you get exams. Also, you get courses in your regional language. So it is the best app according to me for learning anything. If you want to learn law, if you want to learn math, science, if you want to learn engineering, etc.